Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 EMA on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go to Indicators, click on it, and here at the search bar, type EMA. And choose this one, Moving Average Exponential. Don't choose this one or this one. So click on it 2 times, like this. And we have here our EMAs, as you can see. Now click on the first one and click on Settings. Go to Input and change length to 20. Click on OK. And go to the second one, click on the gear icon again, Input, and change it to 50. Click on OK. Now we have to change these colors. So let's go to the 50 EMA, click on the gear icon, click on Style, and we have here blue. Click on it. You can choose any color from these. So I will choose, for example, black. And the thickness, I will change it to this one, for example. Okay. Now click on OK here. And we have here the 20. You can change it or you can keep it. So let's change it, for example. And click on the settings here. Go to blue, click on it, and I will change, for example, to red. Also the thickness, I will change it to this one. Now just click on OK. And as you can see, we have here the 20 EMA and we have the 50 EMA. If you forgot about that, just click on the EMA like this and it will be selected. So this is the 50. Click on this one and this is the 20. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.